YouTube video. In this particular video, I'll be sharing with you how I'll be able to increase my woman credit score. Yes, this is what this video is going to be all around. And the more higher your woman credit score, the more faster you will act in the queue when it comes to KYC lineup. And in my previous video, if you have not watched it, I actually share everything that you need to know about being able to position yourself on how to actually the secret behind you getting KYC invitation. If you haven't watched it, you just need to watch it because it will actually tell you the major reason why you have not getting KYC invitation and how to actually get on stock out of that particular queue you are. So in this particular video, there's another thing I just discovered which will actually help me to rank more higher. Yes, immediately I'm able to do this, I'll be able to rank higher in my queue that I am currently. Don't forget that I've actually completed my KYC. Yes, I've actually completed the first phase. I'm currently in the second phase, waiting for the invitation. And after that, I'll be going to the third phase, which is the final phase. So don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notifications to get notified to upload any other new video. And if you want to start, Interlink is a big project which is going to do well. I'll be dropping my referral code in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. If you not join my WhatsApp group, it is free of charge. I'll be dropping the link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. So my video is always to share every little secret which the 1% of the 1% actually know, that's actually been helping them to get KYC in the crypto space. So let's dive down to sharing the secret. Just sit down and just watch carefully what I'll be doing now. You might have done yours, and some you might have actually knows about it, but you might have not actually done it. So it is a win-win situation. So you come to this particular verify. So if you watch the last video which I did, my woman credit score, I was actually in 4.8, right? So you see what I'm actually sharing with you now. So you see this is woman credit score, because getting your KYC all depends on woman credit score is actually one of it. You see from 4.8 now, currently I am in 4.9, meaning I've been actually been very active in my group mining and also in my daily mining. I've always been active, and you can see I've actually connected my wallet. I've done a video on how to connect it. Everything I'll be dropping it in the description of this particular video. So let's go back. Let me show you what I'm able to do. So for those who have actually completed that, they will come to this particular migration. So what I want to share with you is this particular social media connection. If you have connected it, congratulations. And if you have not done it, I tell you, this might be the one of the key things that is actually stopping you. So let me come to connect and let me show you one little secret which nobody is actually telling you, or you might not actually know, and which is costing you a lot of things. You see, it's a link social media account. Look at it. The more social media you link, the higher your woman credit score. Let's say I was able to link my X, my TikTok, my Instagram, my Facebook. I think this score is part of it. The more higher my woman credit score will increase. And look at another pro tips which you should actually look into. Look at it. This is the tip. They say apart from personal accounts, we encourage users to link the social media with high followers or frequent mention of Italy. For those who are content creators or influencer, and you have maybe social media account which you are specifically for all these particular projects, you can actually link it to them, and it will actually position you in getting more woman credit score. So what you actually do, you start on this particular add social media. You could see I wish YouTube is there, because that is one of my stronghold for, and WhatsApp is not there because this is where I mentioned this particular project. So let me just link my X, my TikTok, and my Instagram, because all this particular account I don't use it for promoting cryptocurrency. They are just accounts. So let me quickly do that very, very fast. So you can see after I type it, they have been to paste my X profile link. Let me go and copy my X profile link and post it there. Now this is my X account now. So if I come to particular page, this is my profile, and I tap on this particular three dots here, and I tap on it. I tap on share, I will just have to come to this particular copy section here and copy the link which I'm going to paste. I've copied it. Let me go back and go and paste it there. So I pasted this now. I'll tap on next. So now I have to share the post below with this particular content. I have to share it and paste the link of that particular post. Let me quickly do that. So I've actually reposted that particular content and I've copied the link. So I'll tap on connect now. I'll tap on confirmed. So that is how it is now. You can see it now. It says connected. Congratulations, you have successfully connected X with X. You are now more trusted. So that is how to do it. So I will be doing my other particular social media platform. So as you can see now, see I've added 3 social media accounts now. I've added my TikTok, X, and Instagram. But when I was trying to add those particular one for TikTok, TikTok is a video platform and also Instagram is a video platform. So I was having some certain difficulties on how to post the instruction which they actually give to me. But this is how to do it because I do not want this particular video to be very long. So you just post it as a story, then copy the link using the share button on that particular TikTok and Instagram. Then you'll be able to post the link and it will be connected because a lot of people are actually having problem connecting this particular social media platform. So I really do not want to use my Facebook because I'm actually using my Facebook for another different thing, which is entirely not crypto. This is for personal work. So I will be trying to add confusions to it because just for particular privacy and security reasons. So let me go back and see if my credit score has actually increased because with this I'll be able to pass a lot of people in on the queue for getting KYC invitation. So let's scroll down here and let's don't forget that the last time my woman credit score was 4.8. So let me tap on this particular woman credit score. I'm still on it. Let me tap on it. Wow, it did work. It did work. Look at now, currently now I'm in 5.02 woman credit score. I know with this now I must have passed a lot of people now in the on the queue now. Yes, currently getting KYC. So these are what you just need to know. And if you haven't done yours, try to as much as possible to do that now. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so you know if I upload any other video. Thank you and bye bye for now.